everyone, my name is Prashanta Shikarwa and I am the student of Genius English Academy. This is our online class where we learn English by the direct method and the paperless fluency course. Our mentor is Mr. Sanjay Dubey sir. He teaches English very well and there are many students in this class. So today I am at the banknote press at Devas. Here printed Indian currency rupees note and this is a very huge campus. Now we are going inside this campus. Let's go everyone. There are many buildings and this is the Chamundi guest house and now there is a hospital, so let's go to the hospital. And here is a walking area for the good health. And here is a community center for the employee of the banknote press. And this is the hospital of the banknote press. There is a bank inside, there is a SBI bank inside the campus of banknote press, and now we are going to the center school of the banknote press. And now we are at the center school of the banknote press. And this is the post office of the banknote press. See. And everyone, this is the quarter which is given to the SB banknote press employee. And this is the playground for the children, and there are many things in the playground, like there is a cricket ground and a basketball court and some swings and the running path. There are only 4 places where the notes are printed: at Devas, at Nasik, at Sanagoli and the Mysore. And I go inside the banknote press, but the video making is not allowed. But I see that the paper which used to make the note is made up of cotton and came from the different places like the Germany, UK and the Japan. And the ink at the other places, the ink came from the different country like the Switzerland. But at this place they manufacture their own ink and they print various notes like the 2000 rupee note and the every note we use, they print everything. And thank you everyone. Bye bye.
So it is again this temple and you can see. Let's go. Outside in this temple. Stop. Okay, let's go. I am running faster. Okay, so let's go. It is situated under the garden. Here is a garden. I am running to the stairs. Okay, so this is the stairs. So I'm very happy to come here. So it is situated under the garden. This is the garden. Okay. So thank you sir and thank you everyone for listening. Hello everyone. Hi. My name is Palchan Malvi and I am the student of Genius English Academy. It is our online class. In this class we are learning English by the direct method with the paperless fluency course. Our mentor is Sanjay Dubey sir. He is teaching English very nice. Okay, so there are many students are joined in this class. Those join in this class that are able to speak English very fluently. Okay, so today I am from here, this temple. You can see this temple. Okay, so let's go inside in this temple. So this is the Ram Janaki temple. This is the gate of the Ram Janaki temple. So let's go inside. And here is a 2 lions statue. Okay, and this is the very big gate of Ram Janaki temple. Okay, so let's go inside in this temple. No. Here is a Ram Janaki temple, you can see here, and here is God Nandi, and here is God Shiva. So first I worship on God Shiva. Okay, and here is God Shiva. So let's go up direction on Ram Janki temple. So first of all, I introduce the Havan Kund area. So let's go. So this is the Havan Kund area. Here is Havan Kund. You can see here. Here is Havan Kund. It is very big. This is very big Havan Kund. Okay, so let's go Ram Janki temple. Okay, so let's go. Cameraman, let's go. Follow me. So as this is the stairs of Ram Janki temple. You can see it. Stop. You can see here. There are many people are come here, but now it's evening time. Nothing. Now it's evening time, and this is the stairs. Stop. Okay, so here is Ram Janki temple. It is very big temple. You can see here. It is very big temple, and it is so popular temple on Makhan Nagar. It is situated nearby a water tank. First I worship to God.